Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's time frame broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And you can't really be too rough on the stock just because the markets once again today got absolutely hammered. But I mean, as far as the very nice price movement that it was working on, I mean, there's no doubt about that. That was a very nice bounce. At this point in time, this was basically a dead cat bounce. And, why do I say it was a dead cat bounce? Well, not to insult your intelligence, but, price movements that have genuine strength behind them are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. And at this point in time, given where the price closed, at, sure, it's not technically all the way down to, where it all started with the bounce down there, but I think we can all agree it's definitely well within that range. So yeah, as far as, the nice bounce from a couple of days ago, that was a total dead cat bounce. Another way you could look at this is just back to the drawing board, because in no way am I saying that the bulls can never, ever make another nice move again. I'm just saying that as far as that move is concerned right here, that was just a dead cat bounce. But, who knows? With these sub $10 stocks, things can get crazy. Maybe tomorrow the price will, and the bulls will start to put together a whole new move and, it gets back up there. But as it stands right now, definitely back to the drawing board as the price is not quite back to where it all started, but within the range. So on that note, in terms of levels of support, right down there at a $1.67-ish, give or take, is going to be that key level of support that you want to see hold for the simple reason, well, that's where it held right there. And in the event the price does not hold, then yeah, I mean, that's why it's so important, because you look back here and, the price has not been down this far for a very long time. I'm not saying the price is headed down there, but in the event it does, that'll definitely be the must-hold level of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, twofold right now. First key level of resistance is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And then the next level after that is the big brother up there, the 200-period moving average being denoted by that pink line. So, yeah, back to the drawing board for the bulls. But, again, you can't really blame the stock too much given that the overall, markets got absolutely drilled. But nonetheless, it is what it is. And, price action is king. So we'll see if the bulls can put together something new or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.